Hello friends, welcome to CBS Standards. Today we are going to discuss about the numericals regarding your chapter motion class IX. Okay, let us start this session. Before going to calculate a numerical, first we have to know the units, conversion of units from kilometer per hour to meter per second and vice versa. Let us see. We know that kilometer per hour to meter per second. How to convert? Suppose see 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5/18 meter per second. But how this becomes 5/18? Let us see. We know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. Okay, now let us see. So it becomes meter, it becomes second. Now let us see 1 kilometer, that means we can say kilometer per hour equal to 1000 meter per 3600 seconds. Now to see 0 0 0 0. Now 10/36 remaining, 10/36. 2, let us cut it to 2 5 ja 2 18 ja. So what is coming? 5/18. So 1 kilometer per hour we can say equal to 5/18 meter per second. Okay, so 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5/18 meter per second. Is it right? This is how to convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second. Okay, now let us see regarding this some questions. Suppose you will be given, suppose you will be question number 1. You will be given convert 36 kilometer per hour into meter per second. Suppose you are asked to calculate 36 kilometer per hour into meter per second. Then how to calculate? Let us see solution. So 36 kilometer per hour is equal to 36 into 5/18 equal to meter per second. That means 18 2 ja 20 36. So 2 into 5 10 meter per second. Is it right? So how it is converted? 36 kilometer per hour into meter per second. Okay, now let us see question number 2. Suppose you will be given convert 72 kilometer per hour into meter per second. You are given 72 kilometer per hour and to convert you have to convert just meter per second. Let us see what is solution. So 72 into 5/18 equal to 18 4 ja, so 4 into 5 20, so 20 meter per second. So friends, 72 kilometer per hour is equal to 20 meter per second. Is it right? So next, question number 3. Convert 10 meter per second into किलोमीटर पर आवर, तो कितना हो जाएगा? तो सॉल्यूशन 10 meter per second equal to 10 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So when we are converting per second to meter per second to kilometer per hour, then we have to keep the bigger one, that means 18 by 5. So instead of, let us see what 5 2 ja 10, so 36 kilometer per hour. So we can say 10 meter per second equal to 36 kilometer per hour. So next question, convert 72 kilometer 20 meter per second into kilometer per hour. Convert 20 meter per second into kilometer per hour. So see what will be there. 20 into 18 by 5, 5 4 ja, okay friend, 5 4 ja 20, तो 18 4 ja 72 kilometer per hour. So 20 meter per second equal to 72 kilometer per hour. So this is how to convert. So when we are converting from meter to kilometer, just we are multiplying 18 by 5 into the given number amount, or otherwise if you have to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, just we have to multiply this 5 by 18, the reverse one. Okay, so let us see some more formulas. Now see what is speed. Formula of speed. Before going to calculate speed, numericals of the speed, let us see what is speed. Equal to, know that distance by time, that is v equal to s by t, and here s equal to v into t, distance equal to speed into time. We can write distance equal to speed into time. Next question, t equal to s by v, distance by speed, that is time equal to distance by speed. So this is the three important formula. Formula number 1, formula number 2, formula number 2. We have to keep in mind these two formula in order to calculate the speed, time and distance and related any numericals coming from these areas. Okay, so first one is v is equal to s by t, that means distance by time. Second one, distance into speed into time, and next one is your time into distance into speed. So friends, unit of distance is taken, speed is equal either kilometer per hour or meter per second, as we have already discussed. Unit is taken. So see, let us see some. A car covers, question number 1, a car covers a distance of 5 kilometer, in 20 minutes. Then find the speed of the car in number 1 meter per second, number 2 meter per minute, number 3 kilometer per hour. So friends, this is the question. A car covers a distance of 5 kilometer in 20 minutes. Then find the speed of the car in meter per second. Number 1 questions, meter per minute and kilometer per hour. Let us see. So we know 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, okay, and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, or we can say 3600 seconds. This is the data we should keep in mind. So 1 kilometer equal to, we already know, so 1 kilometer 1000 meter, okay, and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and that is equal to 3600 seconds. Now let us see, and we are given to 5 kilometer equal to 5 into 1000, that is 5000 meter, and 20 minutes already given, so 20 into 60, that means 1200 seconds. So this is given to us, okay. Now let us see. First one, we have to calculate meter per second. So 5000 meter पर 1200 सेकेंड्स, तो कितना हो जाएगा 0000 और 2 6 जा 225, सो 25/6 मीटर पर सेकेंड, द फर्स्ट आंसर. नंबर 2, मीटर, we have to calculate meter per minute. Meter per minute, that is 5000 meter by 20 minutes given already question. So 5000 meter by 20 minutes, so 00 card 225, that is 250 meter per minute. This is the answer of second one. Next come to third one, kilometer per hour, that is we have to calculate here. Given 5 kilometer by 20/60 hour, that is 5 into 60/20, 23 ja, that is 15 kilometer per hour. This is calculated 15 kilometer hour, because you are given the time in minutes, you just have here converted into hour. 20/60 is converted into hour unit, so that 5 into a reverse हो जाएगा 60/20, 23 जा 60, so 5 into 3 15 kilometer per hour. So this is converted. This is number 1 answer, number 2 answer, and this is your number 3 answer. Okay, now let us see some more questions regarding this. A train, question number, a train was moving with a speed of 120 km per hour. 120 km per hour. Calculate the distance traveled in 30 seconds. Calculate the distance traveled in 30 seconds. So a train, it is given that a train travels or was moving with a speed of 120 km, and calculate the distance covered in 30 seconds. So let us see what is given. Speed is equal to 120 km per hour. Okay, time given 30 seconds. Okay, So see, we can write 120 kilometer per hour. As we are asked to find the distance covered in 30 seconds, we have just convert the kilometer per hour into meter per second. Otherwise, you cannot calculate here. So see, 120 kilometer per hour, go just convert it to meter per second. We know the formula. So 120 into 5 by 18, is it right? Equal to what? It is coming to 6 2 ja 20, 6 3 ja, तो 100 by 3 meter per second. So now it is, we are got the field. Then distance covered in 30 second, कितना आएगा? So the speed into time, to see 100 by 3 into 30, 3 1 जा तो 10, तो 1000 मीटर, तो इज इक्वल टू 1000 मीटर, that is 1 kilometer. So the distance covered by the train in 30 seconds is 1 kilometer. So okay friends, so first we have to write the data given, what is given, what is write the data always what is given to you, then convert into whatever asked the smaller unit. Always try to convert it into the smaller units. Okay, next whatever given, just calculate it. After converting, just multiply or divide. This is the questions trick, how to calculate this numericals. Let us do some more questions. Next question is average velocity. So finding average velocity. So average velocity is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity by 2. That means we can say V average equal to U plus V by 2. This is called the average velocity. So here U is initial velocity and V final velocity, and T equal to time, and VA is called average velocity. So this is the formula. Initial velocity plus final velocity by 2 equal to gives rise to what? Gives us average velocity. Keep it in mind, when we are going to calculate the average velocity, you just calculate what? Add these two velocities, means the initial velocity and final velocity, and divide it by 2. So see, let us calculate. Number 1 formula. Another way we can also calculate the average velocity. Otherwise, suppose you are given distance and time, so average velocity is also calculated by taking total distance by total time. So this is also called average velocity. These are two formulas you have to keep in mind. Let us see. A train travels 20 kilometer. Question number 1. A train covers 20 kilometer in the first 30 kilometer, and in the second hour so 20 kilometer in the first hour, you are right, 5 hour first hour, 30 kilometer in the second hour and 10 kilometer in third hour. That means 20 kilometer in the first hour 1 hour, 30 kilometer in the second hour, to 10 kilometer again in the third hour. Means the train had covered its journey is total covering 3 hours and the distance speeds are 20 kilometer, 30 kilometer and 10 kilometer. That means total journey of period is 33 kilometer, 3 hours. Let us see the total. We know that here total distance is equal to 20 plus 30 plus 10 equal to 60 kilometer. Total time is given what? 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3 hours. The total distance is given 60, total time is 3 hours. Then average speed equal to 60 kilometer per 3 hour equal to 20 kilometer per hour. 20 kilometer per hour. This is the average speed of the train. Now let us do some more questions. Calculate next question. Calculate the average speed of a cyclist which covers first 20 kilometer in 1 hour, next 10 kilometer in, suppose let us take this one 2 hour and this is 1 hour. To calculate the average speeds of a cyclist which covers first 20 kilometer in 2 hours and next 10 kilometer in 10. So let us see here total distance is what? You see the first 20 kilometer, next one is 10 kilometer, so that is 20 plus 10, that is 30 kilometer. Total time taken 1 plus 2, that is 3 hours. So average speed is equal to total distance by total time, that is 30 by 3 kilometer per hour, that is 3 1 that is 10 kilometer per hour. Friend, this is the result, 10 kilometer per hour. So this is some sample problems or numericals regarding this motion chapter, and the more questions will be discussed in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.